Hi, my name's Holly Conway. I'm the Crew Training Systems Supervisor at Jet2.com. I've been in that role for about 6 years now with Mint. We started with cabin crew and then evolved into flight deck, and then over the years started using it for engineering and ground operations too. One challenge we found that we think Mint has helped solve is definitely being able to help us with our record keeping and making sure that we have data sources for all of our forms. So we can now pull data from a few years now of training, who failed, what types of training that they failed on, and making this a lot more centralised for our departments. We've definitely saved probably months of time spent manually checking things. It gives the team more time to quality check rather than having time, cross-checking things that now Mint does for us.